Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at problem number 2 here now. And again, you're given an angle, 61 degrees. You're given a side of 19, another side that you're trying to find, and then one side you don't know anything about, one angle you don't know anything about. So as we stated before, the first thing you want to do is designate your reference angle, which is this angle right here, the 61 degree angle. Now, figure out which side you're given, which side you have to find with respect to that reference angle. Well, again, here's your right angle. So opposite that would be your hypotenuse. So this side right here that we're trying to find the hypotenuse, ladies and gentlemen. And then this side over here, the 19, that touches this side right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that would be your adjacent side. The side that's not marked would be your opposite side, opposite the 61 degree angle. So we're not worried about that. So now you have to go back and ask yourself, what trig function relates adjacent to hypotenuse? So if we go back and look at SOHCAHTOA, which one of these relates adjacent to hypotenuse? It's right here. There's your adjacent, and there's your hypotenuse. The C would be cosine. So the cosine of our angle is equal to the adjacent side, because that's listed first, adjacent A over hypotenuse H. We don't have to worry about sine or cosine. Okay? So now, once you've got the trig ratio set up, all you got to do is plug in your values for your angle, your adjacent side, your hypotenuse. And so if we do that, I'll do that right down where this is what we're going to use. Okay? Cosine of our angle, which is 61 degrees, is equal to the adjacent side, okay, which was 19, over the hypotenuse, which we don't know. So there is your trig function. See if I can make this so I can move it down just a little bit. Okay. Now, how do you solve that? Treat it like it's a proportion. So put the 61, cosine of 61. By the way, that's not cosine times 61. That cosine of 61 degrees is one term. You can't split it up. Okay? And then we're going to cross multiply and solve for x. So ladies and gentlemen, you just take 1 times 19, and that's equal to, and I'm going to take x times the cosine of 61 degrees. All right? So if 1 times 19 is 19, equal to x times the cosine of 61 degrees. Now, how do you get x by itself? Well, you just do opposite operations. We divide by the cosine of 61 degrees, and that cancels that out, leaving you with just x. And that's equal to 19 divided by the cosine of 61 degrees. So if I go to my calculator and take cosine, or excuse me, the 19 divided by the cosine of 61 degrees, I should have my value for x. Okay? So I need to take 19 divided by the cosine of 61 degrees. So if I do that, ladies and gentlemen, again, depending on which calculator you use is which order you need to do it in. If you're looking at one of mine that has the readout on the top, all you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, is again turn it on and make sure you're in degree mode, which it won't change unless you physically change it. So we're going to take 19 divided by, and I go to my cosine button right here, divided by the cosine, and then I just put in my 61 degrees. Hit my button, and then hit enter. It's about 39.19. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the other calculator. It's an older calculator. Again, just turn it on. And then here, because it's an older calculator, you've actually got to type in the cosine of 61 degrees first. So you type in your angle first. Again, we're in degrees. Hit the cosine button. And right there is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. So with a 61 degree angle, the adjacent side is a little bit less than half of the hypotenuse, because that number is a little bit less than 0.5. Now that's the cosine of 61, okay?
So what you can do, ladies and gentlemen, with that is you can write it down as 0.4848, go out to about 4 or 5 decimal places. Or you can use your memory button, which is over here. It's over here at store, okay? But I know a lot of you, maybe some other time will show you how to do that, but just clear it out. And then again, take 19 divided by that number you just put in. Again, I'm going to divide it by 0.4848. And we get about the same thing. 39.19 is what we had before. Again, if you're going to use a decimal for your trig functions, then ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you go in and go out to about 3 or 4 decimal places. So about 39.19. All right? So if we go back here,
then x, page bigger, coming up. Okay, x was equal to about 39.19. Now it says, again, go to the nearest tens place. So if we do that, that's going to be x is approximately equal to 39.2. Now again, just a quick little check. You're finding the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse should be longer than either of the adjacent or the opposite side. Well, if our hypotenuse is 39.2, notice it is larger than the adjacent side of 19. So in essence, we'll probably write unless we made a calculation. Okay? So what we'll do is, the last video, if you figured this out, you don't need to watch the rest of the videos. If you're still not sure, then we've got 2 more to go at, and we'll do those in the next video. Okay?